Welcome to Technology Paul. Do you know what's awesome about the Nintendo Switch? It's a gaming console that you can take wherever you go. You can just grab it, pop in a game cartridge, and start playing. It's perfect for road trips, plane rides, or just hanging out at a friend's house. But when it comes to traveling with your Switch, a whole world of accessories can help you make the most of your experience. So today I'm going to show you 4 essential travel accessories for your Nintendo Switch. Let's dive in. The first must-have accessory I'll tell you about is the Hori Playstand, which is an essential accessory for any Nintendo Switch owner. This officially licensed stand is compact and portable. It folds out to hold the Nintendo Switch at an adjustable angle, secured in place by rubber grips. This allows you to use one of the 2 available viewing angles for gaming. The Hori Playstand outperforms the Nintendo Switch's kickstand by elevating the Switch to a more comfortable viewing height. Additionally, the stand features a dedicated slot for the charging cable, allowing for simultaneous charging and playing. The Hori Playstand is made from durable materials and is built to last. It's also easy to fold up and store, making it perfect for travel. If you want to enhance your portable Nintendo Switch gaming experience, the Hori Playstand goes for about $15 Canadian and is a great option. Now, I mentioned that you can charge while using the Playstand. Well, then you'll probably need a charger. The Nintendo Switch uses USB-C, so there's a good chance you already have a charger that will work for it. Even your phone charger could work. But if you want a dedicated charger, a good option, in my opinion, is the official Nintendo Switch AC adapter. It's priced a little on the high end at $40 Canadian, but the way I look at it is that because it's the official Nintendo charger, you're not going to have any compatibility issues. Plus, this doesn't just charge the Switch directly. You can also charge through the dock if you end up traveling with that. That's something I would only trust to my official Nintendo charger. The Nintendo Switch AC adapter has a 6-foot cable, which will be plenty for most occasions. Some people might prefer a longer cable, and unfortunately Nintendo doesn't offer one. In fact, you can't swap out for a longer cable either. The cable is permanently attached to the wall plug in this case. I guess the upside is that you won't lose either the cable or the wall plug. To further continue down this line of thinking, let's say you're playing the Switch on the Hori Playstand and you've got it plugged in with the official Nintendo Switch AC adapter. That means you're playing with a detached controller, right? Well, you could use the Joy-Cons that attach to the Switch, but if you're doing a serious gaming session, you might bring the Nintendo Switch Pro controller. It's just better for ergonomics since it's a full-size controller with a traditional button layout, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. That said, my recommendation isn't the Switch Pro controller, it's a travel case for said controller. Introducing the TomTalk Switch Pro controller case, providing what they claim is military-grade protection for your controller. This case is constructed from a durable polycarbonate material and has passed the military standard drop test, ensuring your Switch Pro controller stays safe from impacts, bumps, and accidental drops. In addition to its exceptional protection, the TomTalk case also features an accurate button design that perfectly fits the contours of the Nintendo Switch controller, minimizing wireless controller wake-up while it's stuffed into your bag, and therefore conserving battery power. The slim design maintains a snug fit and is a compact storage option, making transporting your controller easy without adding unnecessary bulk. There are even thoughtful details like this quick charging hole, which allows you to charge your controller without removing the case. As well, a lock buckle keeps your controller securely inside. The TomTalk Switch Pro controller case goes for about $24 Canadian on Amazon. Alright, so you're ready to hit the road now, right? Well, not quite. How about a carrying case that can carry all these items, including your Nintendo Switch? We've got another TomTalk product with their Sling shoulder travel bag for Nintendo Switch. This bag may look big at first, but it's designed for the truest Switch fans, allowing them to carry everything they need confidently. It features a wear-resistant body fabric on the outside and a soft lining on the inside. The console is seated in this W-shaped pocket, which offers thick padding, and the shape shape itself prevents the console from being squeezed, and it helps prevent the buttons and joysticks from being pressed. In the next pocket, you've got a storage board with room for 20 games, which features a red pull tab for easy access. You could also store SD cards if you're using this as a camera bag. I like the amount of games you can store, as well as the ease of access it provides. It means you can switch up your game card conveniently and easily. Beyond that, there's a pretty big main compartment where you can stuff your Pro Controller, or even a Switch dock, and interior side pocket that has enough room for the Playstand and even a few odds and ends like electronic wipes. On the exterior, there's another pocket which is bigger, which is where I've put the Nintendo AC adapter and the Joy-Con straps. In terms of carrying it, you have options. You can use the adjustable and detachable strap for shoulder or sling style carry, or you can carry it by the back handle. That depends on whether you'll use it as a shoulder bag or simply stuff it into a larger bag like a suitcase. Basically, the TomTalk Sling shoulder travel bag is a really versatile bag that is perfect for Switch gamers who are on the go. So there you have it. 4 essential travel accessories for your Nintendo Switch that will enhance your gaming experience on the go. The Hori Playstand offers ergonomic and adjustable viewing, while the official Nintendo Switch AC adapter provides official and reliable charging. The TomTalk Switch Pro Controller case safeguards your controller during travel, and the TomTalk Sling shoulder travel bag securely carries all your gear. With these accessories, you'll have everything you need to enjoy your Nintendo Switch to the fullest, wherever your travels may take you. I'd like to note that none of these products are sponsored. These are products that I've tried myself, and I genuinely like them as Nintendo Switch accessories. What do you think? Have you tried any of these accessories? Or do you have a recommendation for a must-have Nintendo Switch travel accessory? Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and click that like button, as it helps more people find this content. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more tech videos updated regularly. My main focus is on gadgets, smart home tech, and gaming. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe. Thanks, and we'll catch you in the next one.